here we go.
Labas at Lithuanian, a lab.
As well, a lot of options available. Let's continue this session right now, which of course is still going to happen for a long period of time, guys. A long period of time. All right, here we go. Oh, nice coin flip at 15x. Come on. We've been so many times close to the coin flip. So far, we haven't seen it. 15x on top of it would be quite nice, guys. Is it one of those close calls or not? Come on, coin flip. Don't let us down. Woo! Yes. Oh, that's definitely better. 15x on top of the coin flip, everybody. Join me, please, here for a bonus round, everybody. Hi. Well, of course, the coin is here. Two sides of it. Put it where it needs to be. Okay. What do we got first? 2x on the red, 10x on the blue. And, of course, the multiply 30x, 150x. Of course, we're trying to go for the highest one. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, 150x, not too shabby, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, of course, to 3,342 winners in this round. 150x is the wonderful. I'm gonna repeat myself. Wonderful multiplier like that. Wish you all the best, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that was pretty exciting. I think definitely was. All right.
That was the final, and the winning ones of this one's everybody 5,687 winners in total this time. Thank you. Batting time is up. So, I know how to say English in a lot of languages. It's like at Russian, привет, привет at Ukrainian, merhaba at Turkish, bonjour at French, labas at Lithuanian, labdien at Latvian, shalom at Hebrew, and namaste, I guess it's Indian, konnichiwa, I'm not sure, is that a Chinese or Japanese? I guess Japanese. Because or it's ni hao at Japanese. So, cash in here, 10x multiplier, baby. Didn't recognize that. Come on! Woo! Come on, baby. 10x for the cash in this time. 500. Stop it. 500 is here. That means is that a 5,000x will be, people. $5,000x, the biggest possible multiplier. Come on! Come on! You can do it, people. You really can do it. Chance from 1 to 100. But the 5K somewhere is hiding, like, believe me, we can do it. I believe in you. So, breathe out, breathe in. Make decision. Let's go. My decision will be this star nearby the rabbit in the hat. Ladies and gentlemen. And give me the result. Here we go, everybody. What is the 5K?
Video
5K
finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.